Okay guys, how are y'all doing today? So today I'll be showing you how to replace your belt on your Troy-Bilt Bronco 42-inch deck, and this may work with a Troy-Bilt Bronco Troy-Bilt Pony 42-inch deck as well. And the tools you'll need are a ratchet, an extension, a 13mm socket, and also a 10mm socket. So first thing you need to do, guys, is to lower your deck all the way to its lowest position. The next step, guys, will be to remove these three 10mm bolts that hold your belt guard in on both sides. So let's get that done, guys. Okay guys, so the next step will be to loosen our bolt for our belt keeper, which is on the left hand side of the mower by your accelerator pedal, by your brake pedal I should say. Okay guys, so that is loose enough. So now we can go ahead and start to remove our belt by pulling it off our front drive pulley, front main pulley, guys, or main front pulley. So now guys, we can just go ahead and remove the belt from all our pulleys. And here we go, guys. That's how you remove the belt the fastest way possible, guys, without having to remove your deck. So let's go ahead and reinstall it, guys. So before installing your new belt, guys, you will need to make sure you have it in the correct orientation where it runs around the pulleys, and then we can go ahead and get it on. So let's do that. Okay guys, so first you want to grab your belt like this, and then we get it back under our belt keeper around this front pulley. Then we can go ahead, bring it around this idler pulley, bring it back around, then around this belt pulley, guys, that spindle pulley, and then we can push the belt over a bit so we don't get anything folded on us, guys. Keep it behind that hook, in front of this hook I should say, guys, and then we can make our way to the other side and get everything else connected, guys. Okay guys, so now we can go ahead and pull our belt, get it around that deck spindle pulley, work it over that other idler pulley, and that is it, guys. All we need to do now is to retighten our belt keeper at the front and reinstall our belt guards. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Also guys, please feel free to comment or ask any questions. So that is it, guys. That's the easiest way to remove your deck belt and replace it. God bless. Have a great day. Thank you.